So here's how I fixed my Cen-Tech P37772. Maybe there's another 7 in there. Anyways, the power button would not keep on, so what I did was I opened it up from the back, and be careful because those little plugs right there will fall out of these spaces. So when you take them off, they're gonna fall out. Just make sure you get them back in the right order. Anyways, I took this apart. There was the screws that hold the back cover on, and then there were, let's see here, a couple screws up here, real small ones, that I needed to take out as well. But you don't need to take out these ones or these ones, just the other 2 or 3. Then you're able to lift this up to gain access to the power button, which is right here. From there, all I did was take and squirt a little bit of silicone lubricant, make sure it's silicone, not anything else, into here, into the power button. And now I've got power again. I'll show you on the front of it. Before, when I was pushing the button, it wasn't doing anything, so that was my issue with the power button, and that's how I fixed it. So hopefully this helps you and to fix your multimeter.